Hey there! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common OBD-II trouble. Code P0134. This code refers to the oxygen sensor circuit no activity detected for bank 1. Sensor 1. If you've encountered this issue, stick around because we'll break down what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. It tells us that the oxygen sensor in your car isn't showing any activity. Specifically, it's bank 1, sensor 1, the upstream O2 sensor, which is located before the catalytic converter. This sensor monitors the air-fuel ratio and helps your car's computer adjust the mixture to optimize performance and emissions. Common causes of P0134: faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, engine control module ECM issues. OBD-II scanner, oxygen sensor socket, ratchet and socket set, multimeter for testing wires, penetrating oil to loosen rusted components. First things first, connect your OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0134 code. First, locate your MAF sensor, which is usually near the air filter housing on the intake. 2. Next, carefully disconnect the sensor's wiring harness, then use a screwdriver to loosen the clamp or bolts holding the sensor in place. With the sensor out, grab some MAF sensor cleaner. Be sure to only use a cleaner designed for MAF sensors. Regular cleaners can damage it. Hold the sensor carefully and spray the cleaner onto the sensor's wires. Make sure you clean both sides thoroughly, but avoid touching the wires with your hands or any tools. Once the sensor is completely dry, it's time to reinstall it. Now that we've ruled out wiring, let's go ahead and replace the oxygen sensor. Start by spraying some penetrating oil to help loosen the sensor if it's rusted in place. Using the oxygen sensor socket, carefully remove the old sensor. Once the old sensor is out, grab the new one and thread it in by hand before tightening it with the socket. With the new sensor installed, it's time to clear the code using the OBD-II scanner. After clearing the code, take the car for a test drive to make sure the check engine light stays off and everything is running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the P0134 code. Whether it was a wiring issue or the oxygen sensor itself, you're now back on the road with better fuel efficiency and no check engine light. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY car repairs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.